Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am bringing you another collab, you guys. Another collab with NiaWigs. I'm excited because I really enjoy doing these hair reviews, and I really am like loving these headband wigs. I know if you've seen my previous video with them, you'll see, you know, the first collab I did with them, so I'm coming back with another one. So let's just jump right into it. Let's stop talking and let's just get right into it. Okay, so let's get right into it. In today's video, I will be reviewing the Angeline headband wig wavy human hair, and it actually has color in it. We're gonna do some color today, you guys. We're gonna do some color, and I know you're probably thinking like, how's that gonna match? Because this is like an ombre, blondish ombre color, and my hair is black. So we're gonna figure it out. So let's just go in with the packaging. I love the packaging so much. It's so pretty. I love how it just comes in just awesomeness. It's really packaged and concealed. I'm dropping stuff all over the place. Of course, the wig comes with headbands. You get to choose which headbands you want. They also sent over little Halloween headbands too. Bad that Halloween's already over, so it's like I guess I can use these for next year. That's no problem, but they're super cute, so we will be just doing these in the video today. And look at how the packaging, you guys, look how pretty this wig is coming in. Like, they really did their thing. And the inch on this one is a 22 inch with highlights. So let's just take it out the pack. Yes, I'm already liking this. So like I said, they just came out with a new color collection, so they have a variety of different colors that you can try out to like mix up your look, which I was super excited about. Headband wigs or NiaWigs, like I mentioned before in my first video, it comes with a headband, a black headband that will match with practically everything. So it's already on it. It's an adjustable strap, of course, Velcro. It has 1, 2, 3 combs, and then, like I said, adjustable straps. So it will fit your hair really snug. So let's just go right. I am really loving this color. What do you guys think? Like, I like it. Beautiful, baby, beautiful. So I'm going in. I'm just going to adjust the straps to fit my head. This is definitely good for all head types, big, small, big head friendly, small head friendly. That's why it comes with so many straps and combs and all that good stuff. So now that I have it adjusted the way to fit my head, like I said, you can actually do braids. I'm not doing braids. I just like to slick my hair in a ponytail and just make some little baby hairs so it'll blend perfectly. Now, like I said, this wig is actually a different color. But what I noticed is that the roots are black, so my hair will blend in. Ooh, wait, hold up. Bomb. Okay, so my hair actually blends very well with it. So I'm just going to put it on. Like I said, it has combs in it, so it fits really snug. You can put the comb into your hair, which I usually just kind of just put it in like that. The 3 combs. Just like this. Or you don't have to, if you want it really snug and you really want it to fit, you can put all the combs in. But for sometimes, like, the combs hurt, and after a while it's just kind of like, oh my gosh, it's intense. So you don't have to. Sometimes I don't use the combs. I just put the strap. I use the comb in the back, and then I just strap the strap down. Of course, if you are new to headband wigs, let me turn over here so you can see what's really going on and how it looks at the back. So I'm just going to just attach the straps if I can. So just like that. And it covers the tracks in the back. So, styling. Pull my ears out like I always do. Okay. She's blonde. So what I do with the headbands, like I said, you can wear them like this. But I just usually fold mine back like that, like I said, so you could see the baby hair. Or, you know, like if you want to do like a middle part or anything, or if you want to swoop it, you know, you can just do it like that. Either way. So like I said, she is a wavy texture. She can be straightened. She can be curled, of course, because it's human hair. Not shedding at all. This is really pretty. I like this. This is so cute. What else? Like I said, she's a 22 inch, which is pretty long if you can see. So like I mentioned in my last video, these are pretty much the same headbands from the last video, the leopard print. So you can, like I said, you get to pick a variety of different colors that'll match with your outfit. I usually just choose the leopard print because I love leopard print. Cheetah print, zebra print. I like them all. I like them all. I like them all. Okay. Woo. Okay, guys. So this is the first headband. I'm gonna push it back just a little bit. You can push it back just like that. And you can style it here. That's cute. I like that. My ears. So I kind of want to tease the hair a little bit. So yeah, this is the first one. What do you guys think? Pretty. I actually really like this color on myself. We like this one. So these headbands can be worn accordingly to how you want. I like to wear headbands like this sometimes. Push it back a little bit. Here's another color, which like I said, I've done all of these colors in the last one, but just to see it come together with the blonde, it's really cute. So this is the other one. So my favorite of all time is, of course, the leopard print. Boom! I feel like just the African goddess I am in this one. I really like. What are you doing? What are you doing? I really like this one. So let's try on a Halloween one. I know Halloween's over, but let's just see what it's gonna look like for next year. Okay, Halloween. Okay, so this is one of the Halloween ones, little scary pumpkins. So this will be bomb for next year. We can do this one for next year. We'll hold on to these. Like I said, there's multiple ones in the bag. Like I said, Halloween's over. Womp womp. But like, better luck next year. Okay, we're gonna keep her on because we really like this together. And like I mentioned before, you guys, if you're new to headband wigs, these wigs are like the greatest invention ever, especially for women, because a lot of times I do not like doing my hair, and if I can slap on one of these wigs just to run out and go run some errands, it is perfect for me. Like I said, you can put it in a ponytail. You can do really cute little hairstyles. I suggest if your hair is not blonde at the ends, I guess you wouldn't really want to put out no bangs or anything, but you actually probably could because it has black roots. You can put it in a bun. You can do all kind of things with these wigs. Like, this is the greatest invention ever. I love it. 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 So I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. I will put the link to shop in the description box and all that good stuff, and get you one, you guys. I highly recommend these wigs, you guys. I highly recommend them. They're affordable, they're very convenient, and especially if you don't like to do your hair, this is just awesome. They come in different textures: curly, kinky, wavy. It is all human hair. So NiaWigs, you guys, get with it or get lost. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys come back because the next video will be bomb too. God bless you guys. Bye.